In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make rounded corners here in Canva. Now, first off, you can create rounded corners on any image, shape, or graphic element. Now, this allows you to round the corners of photos, text boxes, buttons, and even custom shapes that you create within your design. Now, I'm just going to show you on this image just here because the process is going to be exactly the same. Now, what we can do is click onto the element that we want to round the corners of. Now, once we do that, we want to come up to this toolbar just here, and where we see this little curved line, where it says corner rounding. Now, if we click on there, we can put a number in here, or we can just play around with this bar, rounding the corners just like that. Now, even if we adjust this photo, this image, just like that, it's still going to create that rounded corners. And remember, you can practically create rounded corners on anything here in Canva. Remember, it's image, shapes, or graphic elements, and photos, text boxes, buttons, and even more. Now, with that being said, that's just how easy it is to make rounded corners here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.